Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn how to fix uh, automatic boot repair issue on Windows, that is blue screen. So press and hold shift while restarting your PC to get automatic boot option like me. So I saw a lot of video which is nothing worked for me and nothing works for everybody. So in this is advanced boot option. So click on troubleshoot, or if you see this screen like this one, you have to click on advanced option, then click on troubleshoot, and then you have to click on command prompt. So command prompt. Now you have to make sure your Windows is on C drive. So I'm going to type dir space C clone and hit enter, and it will make sure that it is showing the result that our Windows is on C drive. Like you can see here my level is Windows 11 Pro, and I have program file, Windows file, program file 86, and other folder, which is making sure that it is my C drive is operating system installed. So now we have to type, let's type bcd boot and space bcd boot space C colon / Windows and hit enter. That's it. This is the line that will fix your PC from advanced boot repair, because the EFI file or EFI drive got corrupted, or while it doesn't recognize the Windows drive. So this is it. And another method you can use to find where is your Windows is installed by typing on Notepad. So let's type Notepad and hit enter. Now we have to go to file menu and click open. Then you can see which drive is your Windows drive. Like my C drive is Windows 11 Pro, and also I have installed Windows 10 on my H drive, so I have two operating systems. So for now we have to go with C drive. So the command is bcd boot. Let's make it bigger so we can see. The command is bcd boot space C colon / Windows, and you have to hit enter. That's it. This is it. This will solve your issue. Thanks for watching this video.